Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add notes on other Instagram reels or posts. So there's an option on Instagram that you can write notes on other Instagram reels or posts that they have posted now or after before that. So for that, just open your Instagram account and just go to your reel section or post section where you find any reel where you want to write notes on. So when you find any reel, just click on this share option at the right side. You can see just below comment section there this option is share option. Just click on this option, and at the bottom left side you can see the option called add notes. Just simply click on this. When you click on this, here you can see with your profile picture you can write notes. So just write what you want, but keep in mind you are limited to write the what only you can write is 60. So just write what you want, and just simply you can choose where you want to share with. So just click on this share with followers or close friends. You can also select some close friends, and you can share this notes with your close friends too. So these are the two options. Just after doing all this, just simply click on share, and your notes with this reel will be shared with your audience.